Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to show you guys a quick remedy. If you have dry, frizzy curls, this is going to help you guys so much this winter. I have been suffering from some really dry hair syndrome. I don't know if that's a thing, but my hair has been really dry. My curls have been really dry. It's really bad. My scalp has been really dry. I've been trying little DIY treatments here and there. Like I did the DIY Epsom salt scrub. That really helped my scalp so much. I've been doing apple cider vinegar rinses. That has helped my hair a lot and my scalp build up a lot. But still the dryness of my hair has been bothering me, and I've been deep conditioning, but looking for things to incorporate into my deep conditioner that will really help me combat frizz and combat the dryness. And I feel like today my curls look so good. They look happy and they look moisturized. So if you want to know how I achieved these beautiful curls, keep on watching.
So here I have my measuring cup. You can use a regular bowl, my Epsom salt, and my Afro Love Hair Souffle hair mask. This hair mask has raw honey, shea butter, castor oil, and tea tree oil. It is so good on its own. You can use any hair mask, any deep conditioner. This is the one I've been using lately and I love it. Straight from Dominican Republic. So I'm just adding a few spoonfuls of the hair mask into my measuring cup. I just want to make sure that I have enough of the hair mask in order to cover all of my hair. I'm going to take my Epsom salt. My Epsom salt does have lavender in it. That's not a necessity. That's just the one that I have on hand. You can just use regular Epsom salt. I'm just going to pour that into the hair mask. I'm not really measuring it, just kind of eyeballing it. And now I'm going to mix that in. As you can see, the granules are kind of thick in there. You don't really want to apply your hair mask this way. I am going to put the hair mask, once this is all mixed in, into the microwave for about 30 seconds just to melt the Epsom salt into the hair mask. As you can see, just 30 seconds in the microwave kind of melted even the hair mask and made it to liquid form, and the Epsom salt is completely dissolved into the hair mask. So that makes it perfect to apply, easier. I'm not going to apply it because it's really hot right now. I'm going to wait for it to cool down just a little bit and for it to kind of solidify itself a little bit more, just because it's kind of hard to apply it in its liquid form right now. I'm now ready to apply the hair mask. I let it cool down for just about 2 to 3 minutes. I didn't want it to cool down too much. You can see it did solidify a little bit more. It's not as liquidy, which makes it so much easier to apply. The reason I didn't let it cool down even more is because I do want the benefit of the heat that's in the deep conditioner. That helps the deep conditioner penetrate my hair better. Just like when you use a steamer or when you use your heat caps, any heat used with deep conditioners and with hair masks will always help kind of penetrate your hair more. The heat does help open up the cuticle of your hair. I'm going to be applying quite a bit of the deep conditioner. My hair has been so dry. I just want to make sure that I have every strand covered. And I know that you're not supposed to apply conditioners and deep conditioners so close to your scalp, but I am going to be applying this time quite a bit of deep conditioner to the top back part of my hair. As you can see here, the top back part of my hair is my problem area. Those are my driest spots. That's my driest area. So I want to make sure that I completely coat it and reap the benefits of the deep conditioner there. I'm also applying a lot to my ends because our ends are the oldest parts of our hair. They tend to be the driest as well. So we want to make sure that when we use a deep conditioner, we completely coat our ends and any problem areas that you may have. Everybody has different problem areas. So using Epsom salt in your hair is supposed to help combat frizz. It helps to moisturize your hair. It helps to define your curls. And the magnesium in the Epsom salt helps to strengthen and nourish your hair. Now that I've applied the deep conditioner, I'm just going to use my little plastic cap to help keep the heat in and leave it on for about an hour.
All right, you guys saw that I applied that to my hair. I left it on my hair for about an hour. I was watching the Thanksgiving Day parade with my kids. Left it on for about an hour. Then I went and I rinsed it out. I didn't rewash my hair. I just made sure that I thoroughly rinsed it off of my hair. And then I styled my hair with some very moisturizing products. I used a little bit of extra leave-in conditioner, which is something you should be doing, especially in the dry winter months. Use a little bit of extra leave-in conditioner just to hydrate those curls and keep them moisturized. And then on top of that, I use the Inasi, I think it's called Inasi Rock Your Curls Curl Cream. I had used that last winter and I really loved it. I hadn't used it for quite a while, so I kind of forgot about it. I hadn't used it all summer long because you kind of don't need such a thick, heavy cream for summertime because your hair is kind of more moisturized and like the humidity and stuff. You need more like gels that'll hold your curls. I was needing that moisture. So when your hair kind of needs that moisture, you know, it's really good to use some nice hydrating curl creams. So I used a lot of leave-in conditioner, not a whole bunch, but I used a lot more than usual. And then I used that cream on top. And I feel like my curls are looking so good. So good. Like I said in my previous video, the Epsom salt is really good to tame frizz. So I feel like I have no frizz right now. To kind of give your hair a little bit more moisture and create more definition. So you'll have volume, definition, and no frizz. I mean, curly hair will always have some frizz, but I feel like my hair looks so moisturized, so frizz free, and it does have volume right now too. So I don't know, guys. Epsom salt is looking super good. I am going to continue to use the Epsom salt in my deep conditioners. This is my third time using it, my third deep condition with it, but this time was the time that I left it on the longest because the other times I've been kind of in a rush and I haven't really had time. I really like it, and it just dissolves into the deep conditioner and just helps your deep conditioner work even better. So if you're using a good deep conditioner, add a little bit of Epsom salt, try it out, and let me know in the comments down below how it goes, how you like it. Let me know if you see any difference in your curls, because I am definitely seeing a huge difference. Like, my curls have been super dry, to be honest. So future editing Melissa here. As I am editing the video, I just wanted to come on here and just ask you guys, if you have tried it, please let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try it. If you try it, let me know what your results are. I am so curious to see how it works on other people. There's not a lot of research done on using Epsom salts in your hair, and so I am trying to conduct some more research on it. So please let me know in the comments down below if you do use it and if you do like it. I really am curious to see more people using it and how it works on other people's hair. I have continued to use it. I recorded this video probably about 3 weeks ago, I think. And I have continued to use it. I am seeing a bigger difference on my hair right now. My hair is not the best. I kind of had it in a bonnet all day. And I took it out to record this real quick. But I have noticed a big difference using the Epsom salt in my hair. I have done the Epsom salt scalp scrub, which I'll add the video to the cards here and in the description box down below. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I do add Epsom salt without dissolving it, and I scrub it on my scalp. You could go see the results for that. And I have also been using it, melting it into my deep conditioner. A couple more times I've used it, and I do feel like I see a big difference in my hair. I'm just super curious to see other people's experiences with it, just because I've Googled it and I've YouTubed it, and I haven't seen many videos on it. I think I saw like one video, and the girl didn't really apply it to her hair, so I'm not sure. I am curious, so let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna say it again. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the little notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.